Updating your billing address on MemberSpace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the MemberSpace website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled billing information or payment details. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaf databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new address is saved. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on MemberSpace. Keeping your information up to date helps ensure smooth transactions and communication.